Tot i el seu nom d'origen nord-europeu, Maika és una mallorquina amb sang andalusa i macedònia que ha viscut a Nova York i que sempre torna a Espanya per presentar les seues últimes produccions, en aquest cas el tercer treball enregistrat. Amb el seu nom com a títol us deixem un avançament del concert que podrem veure dijous a la Sala Guagua.
I have seen a kind of world where opinions are contagious, where dying far away and young is still considered to be courageous, where a small man with a big shades acts like the master of all beings. And if you ask him, he will say God is standing right behind him. And all I know is the wind blows, all I know is the dirt spreads. All I know is when the wind blows, the dirt spreads. And all I know is the wind blows, all I know is the dirt spreads. All I know is when the wind blows, the dirt spreads. I have seen a kind of world where the past is full of errors, turning back, turning to salt on a young and falling Babylon. And those who know have got to show no useless hesitation. For many who talk about liberation don't know nothing about revolution. All I know is the wind blows, all I know is the dirt spreads.